Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new Camp Nou construction update. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see the latest developments that are permanently transforming this iconic stadium. From major structural progress to the finishing details shaping its future appearance, every update brings the new Camp Nou one step closer to completion. Stay with us until the end, because today's progress is another exciting step in the rebirth of this legendary football home. The compression ring has become one of the most important parts of the new Camp Nou structure because it plays a major role in supporting the future roof system. As the stadium continues to evolve, this massive engineering element is showing more progress and bringing the final vision of the project closer to reality. The work around the compression ring is focused on creating a strong and stable connection between the upper structure and the future roof design. Every section needs extreme accuracy because even small adjustments can affect the balance and performance of the entire system. Engineers and workers are carefully managing each stage to make sure the structure meets the highest standards. The latest progress shows how the upper part of Camp Nou is becoming more complete. The construction teams are continuing their work with precision, preparing the stadium for the next major phases of development. The compression ring is not just a technical feature, it is one of the key elements that will define the new identity of the stadium. As the project moves forward, this area continues to attract attention from fans around the world. Supporters are watching every change because the compression ring represents a visible sign that the new Camp Nou is getting closer to becoming a reality. The compression ring continues to be one of the most impressive parts of the Camp Nou renovation. Workers are making steady progress on this important structure, ensuring every connection is perfectly prepared for the future roof system. This stage represents a major step forward in completing the stadium's new design. With advanced engineering and careful planning, the compression ring is becoming a key symbol of the stadium's transformation. Every completed section brings more stability and strength to the upper structure, showing how the new Camp Nou is gradually taking shape and moving closer to its final futuristic appearance. Construction at the south goal has received another major boost as crews have resumed installing the ceramic lamellas. Although work is not yet focused on the central core sections, the teams are now completing the areas in front of the super pillar, with only a handful of ceramic panels left to install. This marks another important step in the stadium's evolving facade. At the same time, activity inside the concrete cores continues to increase, with multiple crews working across the area. As finishing work gathers pace, the south goal is steadily becoming one of the most active and visually impressive sections of the Spotify Camp Nou redevelopment. One thing that immediately stands out at the north goal is the large stockpile of decorative lamellas, a strong sign that facade installation is about to speed up. Several lamellas are already in place, the supporting framework is ready, and the specialized installation machine is back on site as crews continue fitting new sections. Over at the main stand esplanade, work is also moving forward around the future club store, where scaffolding remains in place. Nearby, the future cafe has received new divider sections, likely preparing the area for soil and future landscaping. From this viewpoint, it's clear that the main stand is getting closer to receiving its signature ceramic facade. Crews are installing the support brackets, indicating that the decorative lamellas will soon begin appearing in this section as well. Although the main stand advanced structurally much earlier, it is expected to be the final area where both the decorative lamellas and the compression ring come together. Once these final elements are connected, another major milestone in the stadium's exterior will be achieved. Construction continues to move forward around the diamond section, where crews are building another concrete block wall while large quantities of materials are already in place for the next stage. At the same time, work remains active on the scaffolding above, with previously installed glass support structures also visible as this section steadily moves closer to completion. Beneath the third tier, the crews have been observed working on the pipes that are connected to the upper levels of the stadium, specifically the water systems that are going to serve those upper tiers. The water pipe works beneath the third tier are the plumbing infrastructure that is going to supply the washrooms, the refreshment facilities, the cleaning systems, and every other water-dependent service that the thousands of fans using the third tier next season are going to depend on throughout their matchday experience. Now, I want to make sure the significance of this particular update is fully and properly understood, because it speaks directly to the overall readiness of the third tier for supporter use, which is ultimately the most important measure of progress at this stage of the renovation. A seating tier can have the most beautifully installed seats, the most carefully waterproof terraces, the most precisely aligned lighting systems, and the most impressively finished exterior. But until the water systems that serve it are installed and operational, that tier is not genuinely ready to accommodate supporters. Water is fundamental, it is non-negotiable, and seeing the crews working on those upper-level water pipe connections beneath the third tier tells you clearly and importantly that the readiness of the upper tier for supporters is being addressed in every dimension: structural, electrical, mechanical, and now plumbing. The fact that this work is happening now is itself a timeline statement. The lateral section continues to make steady progress, with one of the diamond structures now fully prepared with its formwork panels, bringing it closer to the next concrete pour. Nearby, crews remain active around the scaffolding, while waterproofing work across the corner area is almost complete, marking another important milestone in this section of the project. Attention is also turning toward the stadium facade, where the Lamella support structures are now nearing completion, with only a few supports still to be installed. The mobility cores continue to evolve as well, with sandwich panels already covering the upper level of one core, while work remains active inside the second core ahead of its next installation phase. Large numbers of ceramic lamellas have also been delivered and are now stored on site, signaling that additional facade installation is likely to follow soon. Elsewhere, another diamond structure is progressing rapidly, with reinforcement steel now in place and multiple crews preparing the slab for its next concrete pour. Previously completed concrete sections are also steadily curing before the temporary formwork is removed. Altogether, the continued progress across the diamond structures, mobility cores, waterproofing, and facade preparations highlights the strong construction momentum at Spotify Camp Nou. Another update, another step closer to the future of Spotify Camp Nou. From major structural progress to important finishing work, every development brings this iconic stadium closer to becoming one of the world's most spectacular football venues. Each update reveals how the project is steadily taking shape, with every completed phase adding another piece to the stadium's remarkable transformation. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest progress from Spotify Camp Nou. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.